Persian food takeout from Shalizaar.
Hello, today again I ordered food. I was too lazy to cook, but this time is Persian food, the Persian rice, the meat with cilantro, walnuts, and here are the kebabs, beef kebab with chicken, the tomatoes. Chris, come here. What is the name of this one? I put it in my...
Hadi and Layme on top.
Okay, and this?
This one is Kashkabadam eggplant.
Eggplant, and this
This
one?
one's Mirza Basami. This is eggplant and eggs and tomato. That one's eggplant and sour cream.
Okay, and then we have the onion that I cooked because I thought that they forgot to cook it. But normally Iranians, they eat it raw.
They didn't forget to cook it.
They didn't forget to cook it. And the bread.
You cook this in June.
This is pesenjun. This is my favorite. For me, is the Iranian mole. It's so good. It's sweet. Sweet and...
Mole is sweet.
Well, that too sometimes, yeah. This is pomegranate sweet. Delicious. Enjoy it. And over there, Andy is making the drinks.